I'm going to talk about a popular TV show in my country. Its English translation is Dancing with the Stars. I think this is an international TV series. Every country has their own version. I'm not really a fan of this show, but it's hugely popular in my country. It comes out, I believe, once a week. Anyway, this show features a number of celebrities, and they perform some choreographed dance routines with professional dancers. Each couple gets a score from a panel of judges, and at the end of the show, one of the couples is declared the winner. I'm actually not sure why this show is so popular in my country. I guess people are fascinated with celebrities like everywhere else. And dancing is also quite popular, especially among girls. So, in fact, I would say this show is most popular among females. I can't think of anything else to add, really.